Africa and observe the African safari wildlife. The name safari comes from the Swahili word for journey. Safari is an expedition to see animals in their natural habitat. Safari travel in Africa typically includes watching and photographing African animals and the scenery. This usually happens in animal reserves and national parks in East and South Africa. Safaris are for admiring the African wildlife, the landscape, and the birds in the wild. Thousands of animal species live in Africa. The wild animals of Africa are some of the most incredible creatures in the world. Primates, big cats, birds, reptiles, ungulates, and all kinds of mammals live in Africa in a beautiful harmony. Here you will find the largest, the fastest, and the most dangerous animals. Some of these animals live on the open plains of Africa. Some on the grasslands. Some in the rivers or on the trees. Almost every visitor to Africa wants to see the Big Five. They are some of the world's most dangerous animals: the lion, the elephant, the leopard, the African buffalo, and the rhinoceros. A close encounter with these animals could be the highlight of your visit to Africa. However, there are thousands of equally fascinating animals that you may observe during your journey, such as the zebra, the giraffe, the hippopotamus, the warthog, and the cheetah. Let's get to know some of the African animals closely. This is a zebra. Zebras are beautiful animals that are part of the horse family. They are some of the most recognizable animals in the world. You can identify zebras by its black and white stripes. So, why do zebras have stripes? Scientists aren't entirely sure. Their stripes may have evolved to keep biting insects away, or to control the animal's body heat. This is a lion. The king of the jungle is the most popular animal on most safaris. Lions are the second largest big cat species in the world, behind tigers. Lions mainly hunt at dawn or dusk. Lions rest for around 20 hours a day. They spend the hot midday hours relaxing under a shady tree. This makes them quite difficult to spot. But male lions are easy to recognize thanks to their distinctive manes. This is a rhinoceros. The name rhinoceros means nose horn and is often shortened to rhino. Rhinos have no natural predators in the wild except humans. Rhinos are often hunted by humans for their horns. It is very rare to see a rhino in the wild during safaris. Less than 30,000 rhinos are left in the world. You should call yourself lucky if you see a rhino during a safari. This is a leopard. Leopards are magnificent cats. They are solitary animals, which means they like to spend most of their time alone. Most leopards are light-colored and have dark spots on their fur. They are very skilled hunters who hunt at night. During the day, they usually hide away in the canopy of large trees. Their main rival in the wild are lions, who steal their food. During a safari, you can find leopards where there are few or no lions. Leopards are very strong. They are able to drag their large prey up to the canopy of trees to protect them from lions and hyenas. This is a hippopotamus. The name hippopotamus means river horse and is often shortened to hippo. Hippos are the third largest land animal after rhinoceros and elephant. Hippos spend half of their life in rivers, swamps, and lakes. The water protects hippos come out of the water to graze at sunset when the weather is cooler. This is a giraffe. Giraffes are Africa's tallest animals. They need a lot of food to keep them going. Giraffes sleep very little. They spend up to 75% of their time roaming and eating. The long necks of giraffes help them select the most fresh leaves from the very top of the trees. Giraffes are very social animals. They usually live in small herds called towers, which consist of males and females with their young. The spots on giraffes are unique. No two giraffe spots are the same. A giraffe gets most of the water they need from the leaves and plants they consume. They only need to drink direct water every few days. Their biggest predators are lions and crocodiles. Giraffes are active all day long, and they are easy to spot. During your safari, you will be able to see lots of giraffes. This is a cheetah. Cheetah is the fastest animal on the earth. Like leopards, cheetahs are solitary animals and prefer to hunt and live by themselves. Cheetahs have a long body covered with fur. Their fur is dotted with black spots. A cheetah may have 2,000 to 3,000 spots. Their spotted coats allow them to hide in camouflage while lying in grass or in shade. This is a warthog. Warthogs are members of the swine family. They are related to pigs, boars, and hogs. Warthogs live in the grasslands and savanna woodlands of Africa. They are very strong and smart animals. Warthogs are recognizable by their large tusks. They also have patches on their faces that look like warts. These patches are actually just thick growths of skin. This is an African elephant. Elephants are often a favorite with visitors. The African elephant is the largest mammal in the world living on land. These majestic and social creatures are one of the most intelligent animals on the continent. Elephants are herbivores, meaning they only eat plants. Elephants can spend up to 16 hours a day eating. They live in large family groups with one matriarchal female who keeps all the others in their place. Elephants are remarkably adaptable. They live in several different environments: savannas, forests, woodlands, swamps, and deserts. When most people think of elephants, they picture the large tusks. Both male and female African elephants have tusks, which are actually their teeth. Elephants dig with their tusks and use them to lift and move objects, and to protect themselves. Elephants can get very thirsty. A male adult elephant needs to drink around 210 liters of water during a day. Elephants have poor eyesight, but they have an excellent sense of smell and hearing. Elephants' trunks are their nose. Elephants like to swim. They use their trunk to breathe like and snorkel in water. It is estimated today that the African elephant population is between 450,000 to 700,000. Now, I would like to show you some less common animals that you may not know. This is a sesebe. Here is blue wildebeest. Meet the springbok. This is a water monitor. Here are impalas. This deer-like animal is called greater kudu. Here is a waterbuck. Now let's get to know some birds. This is a dark-capped bulbul. Meet the yellow-fronted tinkerbird. Here are helmeted guinea fowls. This is a gray go-away bird. Here are red-billed oxpeckers. They are a giraffe's best friend. Our short African safari has come to an end. Thank you for watching.